Welcome back to G Mercedes in Cedar City, Utah. Quite pleased to offer you this quite rare 1994 single cab pickup, as you wish, in an absolute gorgeous condition, completely rust free, rock solid, no rust, no accidents, no welding, perfectly solid condition. So it's a 250 GD 2.5 liter 5-cylinder, and we did some upgrades to the vehicle, and one of them is that we installed the 5-speed transmission, the 5-speed actually overdrive transmission. So it's not a 4-speed as they originally are. So we installed the 5-speed with the overdrive to have lower RPM combined to the turbo diesel that we installed. So it's upgraded to turbo diesel as well with a mechanical pump. Again, no electronics, we hate electronics. So mechanical pump on the 250. So turbo diesel 5-speed overdrive transmission. Absolutely gorgeous to drive now, so very comfortable at highway speeds with the 5-speed overdrive and with the turbo, of course. It's a huge difference. So it's a pickup. You can drop down the gates so quite easily. All the 3 gates can be dropped down. It's the 3 meter and 12 centimeters chassis, so it's the long wheelbase, longer as your standard 4-door. We also installed air conditioning, so it comes with the under dash unit of the AC. Works absolutely perfect. Beautiful dash, everything of course works. So you have your normal power steering, power brakes. On top of that, the AC, the turbo diesel, and the 5-speed overdrive. So gorgeous to drive. And with the mechanical pump, absolutely reliable. And that's what we like. So a vehicle to drive in the future on whatever fuel is available, even sunflower oil. You can hop into it and drive it home. So it's a 94 originally pickup. This is the way the vehicle came from the factory as a single cab. Absolutely rock solid, perfectly maintained, super nice condition. We upgraded also the wheels. Normally they have slightly smaller wheels. So in order to do something for the looks also, but also to drop the RPM and to give it more comfortable speeds on the freeway, combined with the 5-speed, we put the 235/85/16, and that works absolutely perfect with the 5-speed and the turbo. So if you have any questions about this vehicle or vehicles on the website, then please do give me a call, 714-417-7320, or you can send an email, info@g-mercedes.com. Thank you so much again for watching. Be safe, see you next time.